Hey everyone, Gil here of graymanprepping. In today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about something that seems to rear its head in the summertime more than the wintertime. But I personally believe you need to use it year round, because even in the wintertime you may need to use it, but most people don't realize it because the odor isn't there as much. That is foot powder. Keep your feet dry and the bacteria down on your feet so you don't get all sorts of skin irritation and infections like athlete's foot or um, uh, foot rot or any of the other disgusting things your feet can get when you don't take care of them. Foot powder comes in a whole bunch of different brands, varieties, components, what they're made up of. And so you need to do a research for what is in the foot powder that you'll use. Make sure it's not going to affect you. I have heard of recently if people, turns out that they are allergic to some of the ingredients in some of the cheaper foot powders. You know, the added fillers that the companies put in it trying to save money. And anyway, so they wind up putting these other ingredients in. Some people are allergic to them. It's like latex. Some people are allergic to latex. Some people are not. So with that in mind, check out what's in your foot powder. Make sure you have plenty of foot powder and use it year round, because in the wintertime and out in the rain and stuff, you need to have some foot powder on your feet and in your shoes and stuff, because there's a lot of moisture there and you get jungle rot. That's the word I was looking for, jungle rot. So as always, stay happy no matter what happens. Stay safe. Don't go and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: food, water, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill every month and grow more food.